Do something new.
Pick it up brand new, baby.
What is up, you all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Z. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that goodness, okay? Child, I'm about to get myself together because baby's taking me on a little date or whatnot, okay? But yes, child, your girl done did her nails. I'm putting some cute press-on nails on. I literally haven't had my nails done in I don't know how long, okay? Baby, you know, press-ons is life. I have started wearing press-ons and that's all I wear now. Yeah, I know I used to make my own little press-ons, but child, your girl most definitely been buying them. And that's what we're gonna be working with for now on, well, for not now on, because I do plan on making some this week later on, or either next week if I don't get a chance to do that, okay? But yes, they are really, really, really cute. I absolutely love them. And your girl already got her makeup on because I'm about to install this wig. It's gonna be a separate video on that, but obviously y'all gonna see it in this video, okay? The final look or whatnot, honey. I'm gonna go and put this wig on, and child, we're finna go do this little date. We're supposed to be going to the Cheesecake Factory. I know I'm definitely gonna be eating there. I don't know if my husband's gonna eat it because he is a very much picky eater. And then, you know, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Let me get this head together, okay? Okay, so your girl is back and her hair is fully done. Oh, I just feel so good, y'all. I haven't had my hair done in I don't know how long because I've been literally just putting on a wig, like a non-glueless wig, glueless, whatever you want to call it, wig, and just going to the store, come back home, taking it off, and just walk around looking like a housewife that I am. But anyways, I am loving this new hair. Everything about this will have its own video, own wig install video and stuff like that right there, so y'all stay tuned. I don't know which one's gonna go up first, child, honey boo boo. I don't know which one is gonna go up first, but today for the perfume, I definitely am gonna be wearing the Zara perfume. This is the fruity one and I'm absolutely in love with it, so I'm gonna put this on. I think I'm gonna be wearing this outfit. I don't know, it's just nothing but a regular shirt and like some pants, nothing too because I'm really about to just go get the food and go. Like, I'm probably gonna call it in and wait on it and get it and go, because I know my husband is not gonna be eating there. Y'all know Davey, he picky. But I'm gonna eat there, and then we're probably just gonna go walk around and do something else or whatnot. I don't know. The Cheesecake Factory, child. I love that banana cheesecake, but I don't want no cheesecake today. I just want something to eat from them. I'm loving this hair. Anyway, lashes come from your girl. They are called the Princess or Queen Lashes, I believe. I don't know, y'all. Go check it out. And make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, child, because the pictures is gonna be bomb, okay? Real cute, real cute. And then I want to go get us like some matching shirts from somewhere. I don't know. I don't know, but anyways, let me see what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna come back. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what we're doing.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just...
Okay, you guys, so we done been back home for a good little minute or whatever, but I'm heading to Wally World one more. Don't mind the little thing in my hair, because we're supposed to be going to the little boat ride so my baby can go look at little fishes or whatnot and walk around in that little park. I don't know if we're still gonna do that. The weather looking a little crazy, but the food was okay, but it's not what I wanted. I asked them for white rice. I actually paid for white rice, and they still gave me mashed potatoes. Like, I was like, sub the mashed potatoes for the white rice, and can you add onions and peppers and stuff on the steak or whatnot, y'all? This is my first time getting this meal. Usually when I go there, I only get the cheesecake, okay? Because that line be absolutely so freaking long that I don't be getting the food. I just get the cheesecake because it's right up there at the front. But I told them sub it because they wasn't that busy, because I don't know, they wasn't that busy, I guess because it's early and, you know, people doing what they're doing or whatever, the weekend, whatnot. So, you know, she's like, oh yeah, and I even double told her, and she still didn't give me the white rice. But obviously I should have checked my bag before I left out there. I got in the car, I was like, you know, I'm not going in there because they took so long. Like, they literally took like 20-25 minutes to give me my food. So I wasn't going back in there. I just, you know, it's a loss. I did not want the mashed potatoes. They felt like it was cooked with water. Tastes like it was cooked with water. And yeah, we don't do the water mashed potatoes, baby. We like the milk mashed potatoes, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go on Walmart real quick. Look, behind every batch is a seat, a car seat. But yeah, I got this little roller in here because I need this to be curled. Like I said, we're probably gonna go to, it is so packed here, wow. But like I said, we're supposed to be going to get on the little boat ride or whatnot. But I don't know if we're gonna do that just because it looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it don't rain. And then Davey ended up just eating McDonald's, him and baby. But yeah, let me find a spot. Child, let me find a spot. It's literally so packed here. I'm not gonna park at the back. I'm probably gonna park on the other side. But I was so mad about that food. I mean, it was good, but the mashed potato was just watery. I would get it again, but it has to be with white rice. Keep them watered down mashed potatoes. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here, pick up the little stuff that I need, and then I'm gonna go back home and see what me and Bae is gonna do, where we gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna see about that.
I wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come.
Alright, we are back. Yeah. Omar had some stuff on
the cookie, what brand new berry? We're really worth the trip.
Do you have over $10,000 in credit card debt? I'm Cindy Case, the certified debt specialist with accredited debt relief. And by making...
Okay, y'all, like I was saying, Walmart had some kid clothes on sale. I got my nephews some kids clothes. I think they're gonna be too big for them, too big, too small. But I got them and some Davey some clothes, and then everything else. Okay, definitely was in and out in there. Okay, in and out. It don't look like it's gonna rain. I mean, it looked like it's gonna rain, then it look like it's not gonna rain. I don't know. Hopefully it don't. Your girl definitely went in looking like this. I might go home and cut some more lace off of this wig. But y'all, when I got home, my husband and baby was literally waiting for me to get home outside. He come running to the car. You and your daddy were waiting on mommy. Wave to the vlog, babe.
What up, y'all? What up?
He eating on my baby candy. I'm happy to see him, mommy. Cupcakes, you guys. I'm not gonna show you how to make them. I want to see how I make these. Go ahead over to Lily and baby, she make the best crab cakes. Cook with Lily. She made the best crab cakes, which is my mom. And sweetheart, this is her recipe that I'm using. If y'all want to see, go ahead and head over to her channel, honey, because when I tell y'all the best crab cake you will ever eat, the best crab cake you will ever eat. Okay, baby? So we got some of our ingredients right here. Go ahead over there. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, okay?
Rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off.
Yeah. Swings. There's, what is this called? It's not a seesaw. What is it? Somebody tell me what it is. These are too tight, so yeah, they did that. And then it's a slide. Look at my husband big behind on it, y'all. And this is Bebe's new swing set. Something cute. Okay, y'all, it's all put together. It's really cute and good for his size.
Oh man, rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark.
Okay, yeah, so we are on our way to family date nights. I'm gonna go eat some shrimps. So we'll let y'all know when we get there. The girl was not feeling good, so I just threw this on. This little cute outfit or whatever, but yeah.